This year, a lot of my free time has been spent restoring a Leisure 17 SL sailboat. As part of that restoration, I had a thin, flexible solar panel fitted to the sliding hatch. It works really well, but within a few weeks of installing it, the steel grommets has started to rust. This was a bit of a shock. Since starting the restoration, a shearer had sat in the boatyard at Delquey on the south coast of England. The grommets had started to rust even though they hadn't been exposed to seawater. They had to go, so I pinched them out with a pair of pliers. I cleaned off the rust with an abrasive pad and some denatured alcohol. Then sanded one side of some penny washers made of marine grade steel. This prepared them for the application of G-Flex epoxy, a highly resilient two-part epoxy designed to create a permanent waterproof bond between dissimilar materials that expand and contract at different rates. One side of each washer was coated in epoxy, then glued into place, and the screws were refitted. Once the epoxy has set, I'll remove the screws, add a little bit of bedding compound or butyl putty, and then replace the screws to prevent any water ingress. Job done, but none of this would have been necessary if the manufacturer had simply used the right materials in the first place. And remember, there's nothing wrong with obsessive compulsive behaviour so long as it doesn't become a habit.